Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world. My greetings. I'm here today to talk about the sit at home in Biafra land. We all know what happened on the 9th of August 2021. The DOS, Directorate of States, headed by China Edozie, issued an order that there must be sit at home in Biafra land every Monday, which they codenamed Host Monday or Ghost Monday. And as we all expected, on that Monday, the whole of Biafra land was under lockdown. Anyway, it's not the first time it has happened, not the second time or the third time. It keeps happening. Once IPOB declared sit at home, everybody obeys willingly. But the surprising thing about this sit at home was that the DOS has come out again to cancel the weekly sit at home. Every Monday sit at home has been cancelled, and we were told that the order came from the office of Mazi China or Madike himself. But the surprising thing is that Biafrans refused to accept that directive. Every Monday in Biafra land is still sit at home, like today, being the 23rd of August 2021. It's a Monday, and everywhere in Biafra land is under lockdown. You can't even see vehicular movement. You can't see any business or offices opened, even banks, markets, big and small. Government offices also shut down. Schools, name it, what have you. You can't see any ant on the road. Everywhere in Biafra land is shut down. And I ask, why? The wisdom of Biafrans supersedes. The wisdom of Biafrans is now activated. We were told that Mazi China have told us Biafrans to cancel the sit at home and let us go back to our normal duties. But Biafrans said no. It's like there is something fishy. It's like there is something fishy. Biafrans have reasoned. How can a man in detention cancel the sit at home? That is one of the key things that make the zoo release him. A man under chains, a man in captivity, a man that is not enjoying his freedom, a man that even his personal lawyer have told us that he doubts his mentality after undergoing 8 days of torture in Kenya. And we all know how the zoo acts. And this is a man that the zoo hates. And this man is now in the dungeon of the DSS, or what they call it. How do we believe that same man issued such instruction? Personally, I know how strong and stubborn Mazi China can be. You can't intimidate him. You can't. But even at the point of torture, I know that it's not going to issue a counter directive. You can't issue it. So that directive may not have come from him. Even if it came from him, Biafrans have said no. Let lockdown continues every Monday. Let every Monday be Ghost Monday in Biafra land. So I ask Dave Omai, the governor of Ebony State, who has been threatening the Ebony indigenes that if they sit at home, they will lose their birthright. They will stop being Ebony citizens. He will take off their shops and give to Fulanis. He will do this, he will do that, he will do the other one. IPOB have relaxed their lockdown order. But the Ebony citizens is still obeying their own directive, because now it is people's directive. People individually have decided to sit at home. Oh my, what will you do? I also throw the same question to Sarakin Fulani of Imo State, the Supreme Court governor of Imo State. What will you do? This is no more IPOB. This is the people of Imo willingly, on their own, decided to sit at home. What are you going to do, my friend? Nigerian Army, DSS, Nigerian Police, are you still going to go to their homes to pull out people and kill them? Because they decided on their own to sit at home. It is no more DOS. It is no more Mazi China Edozie giving order to sit at home. It is the people who have said openly that what you are doing to their brothers, they don't like it anymore. They decided on their own to sit at home. What are you people going to do? Major General Muhammadu Buhari, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, what are you going to do? The people you are ruling with iron hand have shown you your ramification. They don't want to belong. They don't want to be called one Nigeria. They want to be left alone. It is no more they kind of giving the directive. It is no more DOS giving the directive. It is the people themselves, willingly, without anybody asking them to. They decided to sit at home. What next? With this scenario, with what is happening on the ground, how are you going to tell me that another election will hold? Biafrans have activated their sense. The wisdom that God gave them is back in full. Anambra election. If Biafrans can willingly sit at home, how are you sure that the election will hold? Who is going to vote? Maybe you people are going to import Fulanis from the north, Alamajiris from the north, to come down to Anambra State and vote. Because the way I'm seeing things, because I believe in facts and figures, from what I'm seeing, from the evidence on the ground, on the election day, you won't see any Tom, Dick, or Harry. You won't see anybody. You won't see anybody. So the election has failed. It has failed completely. What is left for you people to do is to try as much as possible to release Mazi China Edozie immediately. That is the only way Anambra election can be guaranteed. Without it, forget Anambra election. So you can come back and tell us that Mazi China Edozie have directed that the elections should go on. You can come back and tell us anything you like that now they can have said. It won't happen, no. It won't happen. Biafrans are wiser now. Unless we see him come out, we see him in London or in any European country. That is the only way he can speak to us and we agree, we believe, we accept, we obey. Without it, it's game over. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you. Bye-bye.